Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ashton from GBKicks. We hit 200 subscribers. Look at the merch. It dropped. Arabic drop coming soon. Link in the description. What's up, guys? It's open. Yeah, we kind of failed at doing this multiple times. Aaron doesn't know how to edit and stuff. Only the merch. Let's just say that. So we got the box, simple 3 box. We got this butcher knife Supreme. It's so limited. 500 for that. That's going on the website too. Signed by all the members. What's the size? Is 10.5. Oh, yo, this is my first look at these. These are so clean, bro. Dang. How did he? These sold out online. That's what Mike Schultz said. I think they resell for about $250. StockX, Goat, maybe more. $270 in his size. You guys can take a look at that. My boy cameraman Bob is just gonna hit you up with the clean. Alright, I'm gonna look at this shoe top while he's showing you the B-roll. Turn that. Get the back tab, Nike Air, even on this right here. The leather seems pretty good though. I keep talking about the leather. There's like, I don't know the materials on this shoe really than other than the leather. I don't know if this is a mesh. Pull tab, same as always. I don't know if you can really call it a pull tab. It's not that helpful. If you're trying to get your shoe on, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, the shoe's pretty limited. It dropped, like, a long time ago and re-released. What are you looking at? I'm trying to get Mike Schultz a man up here himself. He really got these up north. You already know, bad connection, Bob. They smell good, though.
Disrespect.
It hit the butcher knife. Honestly, if you guys want these 300 right now, they're going on the website. GBK. We'll put the merch. Nobody will buy the merch, obviously, because we're not a big thing. We'll buy our own merch because, you know, discounts and stuff. But, you know, these shoes are pretty nice. Oh, the traction's actually really good. I've never really felt a good pair of 3s. Just a trash pair. Cyber Mondays are trash. I don't know, guys. I mean, we haven't uploaded in, like, a long time. Blake's the only one that's been uploading. It's kind of, like, weird because he doesn't get views. Unless it's, like, Supreme, you know. But, honestly, I bet you can still get your hands on these. They're pretty easy to find. Maybe get a small pair for your kids. Or your dog or something. Or your baby, you know. Maybe even your turtle. That basically wraps it up. I was gonna the merch again is available. Link in the description. This is the winter merch that's dropping next year. Winter time. Y'all get a big try on it. Comment if you want to see it in different colorways, different designs on it. I know we have to change this GBH. I don't know. We got a lot of criticism for that. Shout out to all the people that pointed that out. That's basically been it. We got some black donkey 3s right here. I mean, black cement 3s. Pop sockets are also available. See you guys. Peace.